What's up, everybody? We are in New York City in the Lower East Side at Essex Market. I'm down here with Jason Rupp.
What's up, everybody?
And Carla Rupp.
Hello, everyone.
And we're looking forward to going inside Essex Market and take a little walk around.
Yes, we are.
And there's a little stall there that's got such an incredible variety of salmon. All these Scandinavian various salmon dishes, and I've only tried one, which was the pastrami salmon, since I like Katz's Delicatessen. And then there's another ice cream shop downstairs I want to show you. And right inside here, there's a pudding shop. They've got everything bakery, but the puddings, that's special. Let's go and sample some.
All right, let's go.
Pudding.
Pudding. Thank you. Market line.
That's downstairs. That's where the ice cream is. That's all I know.
Ooh. Looky.
Here you can get coffee for $1, and then they've got all these cupcakes.
Whoa.
And then they sell pudding by the pound. They've got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 puddings right now, and they sell them by the container. So you don't need to ask what the price is. The price is right here. One standard cup, a 10 ounce is $5.75, and you can put these. You can ask them for accommodation and things like that.
Awesome.
Now, hi. Oh, can he video? Okay, can we? You can say hi to her, and then she can.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Sugar Sweet Sunshine, my name is Becca.
Oh, Becca. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dan. This is Jason.
Hi,
This is
Jason.
Carla.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What can I do for you guys today?
We were looking to sample and maybe to purchase some pudding.
What would you like?
What do you recommend?
I highly recommend the chocolate chip deliciousness. The banana by far is our best seller.
Okay.
It's stupid good, just like the sign says.
Oh, stupid good. So we got down here, this is where the banana pudding, it's stupid good. Vanilla wafers, whipped cream, bananas, and vanilla pudding.
This ain't no hospital pudding.
No.
This ain't no nursing home pudding.
As this pudding, you're not going to want to use.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hospital's got some good pudding though.
A lot of never had the pudding, I had the jelly.
All right.
Everybody's had the jelly.
This is the banana pudding.
Okay. Let's get you a sample of another flavor.
Let's see if it's stupid good.
Better be stupid good.
And because it is the season, I'm going to introduce you to our Snapple apple.
Ooh, Jason has Snapple apple.
That is stupid good.
Can you have
hold on.
Snapple apple?
Nice.
Snapple apple is seasonal. It's
It is vanilla pudding, whipped cream, apples, toasted walnuts, and vanilla cake.
Nice.
And to me, it tastes like apple pie and oatmeal.
There it is.
That's for
Let me try
Carla.
this one. Oh, Carla. All right. Carla, go ahead.
No allergies, right?
Schmapple.
Nope, we're only allergic to bad food.
So Carla's trying the schmapple.
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 Check it out.
Because she's quite a schmoozer.
Schmapple. I think that's the word of the day. Schmapple.
Fun and delicious.
There's the vanilla cake, apples, vanilla pudding, toasted walnut, and
A lot
caramel.
of things in it.
Jason, what one's this one?
I forgot which one that is now.
Is that the chocolate chip?
It looks like it. Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was
Chocolate
it.
chip
That's it.
deliciousness.
Chocolate chip deliciousness.
I smell that cream. It tastes like a chocolate chip cookie, but as a pudding.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Cool.
Nice, like that.
Awesome.
He's letting me finish it.
I wanted the one with the most peanut butter. The most peanut butter in the world.
peanut butter chocolate, peanut butter cookies, and it's called Awesome Pudding because it tastes awesome.
Oh yeah. You guys have to know something about me. I love peanut butter as much as I love pizza, and that's the truth. And this is going to be amazing. I can't wait. Like, I'm so like excited to try this. I'd call it peanut butter dream because it's creamy, full peanut butter flavor. Wow, that's so good. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god, that is. I was gonna share some with Jason and Carla, but I forgot.
That's all you. You enjoy.
Oh, I love peanut butter so much. You have no idea. That was so good. That's what I would get. Is the awesome pudding.
Nice. Checking out the Tres Leches.
Tres Leches.
This Spanish cream milk drenched cake is simply put awesome. That's
Peanut butter icebox pie. All right, so all the puddings were great, but we're gonna go with a slice of the Tres Leches. Yeah. Yeah.
We'd like extra rum.
We like rum.
Extra shot, please.
Extra
The juice, please.
Extra shot, please.
What was I in that?
The Tres Leches.
We should ask her for the quarter piece soaking in the juice.
Oh yeah.
Rum.
Oh, I think she heard you. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, she knows.
Oh,
Yes.
oh yes.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's the goodness. That was bonus.
Like that.
You're as awesome as the pudding, but now you're as great as the Tres Leches.
She's my sugar sweet sunshine.
Becca, have a good night.
Do we need 3 spoons?
Hi, Becca. Hi, baby. Nice to long time no
We need
see.
3 spoons?
Sure.
Thanks, Becca.
You're welcome, sweetheart. 11.89. 2 extra spoons. Just take a share.
All right.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You guys have a wonderful night.
Thanks for everything.
The only day that the movie cover is next Sunday, and I can't work.
All right, so one shop down, Tres Leches cake in the bag. We got another special stop to go to.
Ice cream. And I think we'll eat that together with it.
Oh yeah, ice cream. Let's do
All
it.
you gotta do is go to
Sweet. Hopefully they're open.
Yeah.
Because we already hyped it up.
Yeah, I know, right?
They should be open on Saturday night.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you do it.
So we're walking through. Obviously, Essex Market is known for all its great shops. Here's a nice, awesome cheese shop.
Vegan cheese.
Some cookies.
If we video too much, it's gonna give you too much work.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I think we just go over there, like just at the stairs, video that.
Yeah.
And then we go down right to the ice cream.
Yeah.
Plus, it's too dark in here. Oh, but just show this off
Yeah.
if you want.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But we did already, right?
No. This is a Norwegian shop, and it's got all kinds of salmon, all kinds of different salmon that you can think of. Juniper crusted, blackened, Scottish, Irish, artisanal, Nova smoked salmon, Norwegian smoked salmon, pastrami smoked salmon, Dylan vodka smoked salmon. It's got
I
like
tried the pastrami one right here. That was really good because I like, Katz's. That was really good because I like Katz's delicatessen.
Yeah.
Smoked. No, where's the pastrami? Oh yeah, right there.
Right here,
Smoked
yeah.
pastrami. Yeah. That was nice.
So if you like smoked salmon, that's the place to be.
Dan, I want ice cream. Okay, let's just get over there. Ice cream is gonna give us energy to keep walking New York City.
Yeah. I keep wanting to film everything, and I'm slowing down, and we're like, let's get to the ice cream.
Ice cream, come on. Check out how spacious this place is too. I love the cement floors. Lots of space. It's a great place to just hang out. You could actually just sit at the table and work. There's no waiter service, so you don't have to worry about how long you're sitting there or tip them extra for sitting there so long. No, this is just open seating. I like that.
It's awesome.
It also saves you money.
Yeah, right.
On the left here is Veselka, like Ukraine food. She loses out. Let's go. I think they don't show a lot of this stuff. They finish like clothes and stuff. It's not interesting.
Yeah. So I see something in front of us. Ice cream.
How'd you know? That's the
Ice cream.
the ice cream sign you the way.
All right.
You know what's really funny, Jen?
Ample
I
Hills
smiled at a New
Creamery.
Yorker, and then you know what? I don't know, he or she looked back and said like this. That's New York. Don't smile at New Yorkers.
Yeah.
They'll kick your ass. When you smile at that's fighting face.
What are you smiling at me for?
Yeah, what's up wrong with you? What you smiling at?
PB wins the cup. So here we are, ice cream.
Looks like it's called Ample Hills Creamery. I haven't tried it. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, we did some decorating.
And I just wanted to try it because the flavors look really unique. Chelsea morning milk, egg, wheat, tree nuts, and gluten. Extra gluten, please. Oh, peppermint patty. It's just really.
Yeah.
It looks like just full of flavor. Right?
Chocolate milk and cookies. Chocolate milk ice cream with pieces of sandwich cream cookies.
Oh, there's dark chocolate.
Ooh. Rich dark chocolate ice cream. Jason, maple bourbon barrel.
Okay.
Maple bourbon ice cream
Maple bourbon.
made with Widow Jane bourbon and Crown maple syrup aged in bourbon barrels and sprinkled with chocolate coated candied pecans.
That sounds pretty
Whoa.
interesting, actually. And there's King of Mangoes. It looks like it's all mango. And then Oh Fudge. It's vegan fudge.
Oh fudge.
Oh fudge that.
Just vanilla, strawberries,
Ooey
ooey gooey butter cake, sweet cream and cookie, baked, unbaked.
Baked or unbaked? I don't know. It's a tough choice. You want your cookies baked or unbaked? Sometimes you want them unbaked.
I like mine baked.
You just like to get baked.
Yeah, I love getting baked.
I got some stuff right here if you're interested. Can we sample some things first? We really want to do some sampling so we could show you guys all the different, some of the different flavors and everything, but not allowed because of the pandemic. So let's just choose a pint and go share it and enjoy.
Yeah.
Consensus? Which one do we want to do?
All right, so we have many different flavors here. We have the baked, unbaked, peppermint patty, ooey gooey cake, Nana D's oatmeal lace, s'mores, and the peanut butter with the cup wins the cup. Oh snap.
You're kind of a peanut butter junkie. Maybe we go for that one.
All right.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll have the peanut butter one, please. New York, so there's high security. The fridge is locked. There are ice cream looters that that do tend to come through. Have you had any ice cream looters?
Actually, yeah.
You have, really?
Oh no. Hey, it's New York. We're not in Kansas anymore, you know.
Which one do you want again?
The peanut butter ones are at the bottom. Yes.
Lock it back up.
We got dessert and peanut butter wins the cup ice cream. Let's just go have fun with this.
Rum cake and peanut butter ice cream. I don't think it can get better than that.
Here's pizza. I'm taking our pint and putting them in the little cups. Actually, that's all right, just for sample cups.
Yeah, that's good. It's pretty solid.
That's solid. This is not fluffed up with air.
It's not air cream.
Like your 99-cent ice cream in the Safeway.
It's not air cream, it's ice cream.
Ice cream. Look at the chunks in there.
Yeah, that looks awesome. Chocolate swirls, peanut butter, vanilla ice cream.
Let me tell y'all, I discovered that the pint is the best deal there.
Yeah.
Because it's only $8.50 for the pint, and it's the exact same ice cream that they have in the behind the glass there. They told me so. Yeah, we just fill them up here, they said. So it's the exact same
awesome.
stuff. But you can also, if you don't have your flavor in their fridge, you can tell them, can I have a pint of that one? But then that costs $2 more though.
Oh wow.
Or $1.50 more. I think it was $10 or something.
So it'd be
like that.
$10 for the pint, basically.
So you can choose any of the
Right.
flavors though, if it's not there already.
Right. We are going to open the Sugar Sweet Sunshine Tres Leche cake. Whammo. And Becca gave us an extra dose of juice on it, the rum juice, which we're really excited about. And
Becca's juice.
Becca's secret juice. And then this is the peanut butter. Peanut butter wins the cup ice cream, so can't go wrong with either. So which one do I start with? Start with the Tres Leches.
Because if you start with the ice cream, your mouth is gonna be all frozen, right?
Yeah, true. So
Extra of Becca's secret sauce there.
yeah. Oh, it looks so creamy. Rum-soaked cake, little whipped cream on the top. Are you ready? Decadent, creamy, smooth, rum flavor, amazing. The cake, even though it has a lot of the Becca's juice in it, it's soggy, but it doesn't like fall apart in your mouth. Everything comes together, excellent, sweet but not overly sweet. That's a almost perfect dessert. We're gonna do the ice cream now. This is the peanut butter. All right, down the hatch. Whoa. Put too much in my mouth again. Do it all the time. I got a really nice big chunk of peanut butter. Perfect flavor. It's nice and consolidated in the ice cream with the chocolate around it. It's actually a perfect bite. The cream is perfectly like sweet. You can tell it's all fresh ingredients. There's no doubt about that. We've been really lucky. A lot of the places we've been eating at in and around New York City have been known, and they do everything handmade. We went to Upside Pizza. Everything was made fresh in front of us. We just had some dumplings down the street, fresh, made in front of us. We just had the pudding upstairs with Becca, fresh, made every day. And now we're having this ice cream that is it's very fresh too. So we've been having a really good New York City food tour. So good. Awesome. We got Jason and Carla up trying the peanut butter ice cream.
I taste the peanut butter and the chocolate. Oh, so good.
That is chunky.
It is chunky.
You get big swirls of chocolate.
Ample Hills Creamery.
Jason got a lot of chocolate.
All this peanut butter and just really fresh tasting, milky, creamy ice cream. That's delicious. That's really good.
Lots of peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's chunky. I got like a big cube of the flavor. It was really good.
Yeah.
I could totally eat a whole pint by myself.
Oh, I could too, easily.
Let's do. Well, we got a whole pint to eat.
All right.
All right, Tres Leches.
Tres Leches. Come on, Mama. Enjoy. Let's
Oh,
get
I
drunk
will.
on Tres Leches.
Drunk on cake.
Oh, boy. I can taste the rum and it's
Oh, I like that
juicy.
rum.
Yeah.
Oh, Becca, you're so delicious.
Becca took care of us upstairs.
She did. Yummy.
Becca, good job. Oh, it's really fresh. Very delicious.
It is very fresh.
It kind of reminds me of an eggnog, a spiked eggnog.
Now one heart filled the other lot, and you're tired of me.